Northport at saka Meralco, no? So, itong game na to, yung game na to, second game kanina, is nagpapatunay na may mga teams na gagamit ng speed at quickness dahil wala silang true big man. Wala silang bona fide big man. At ang kanilang defense is scrambling, no? Mataas yung pass break points nila, yung transition points nila. Pero kapag in-slow down mo yung laro at na-establish mo yung malalaking players mo defensively at napunta kayo sa half-court game, nandun yung advantage mo. And true enough, Meralco did enough to win the game. No? Meralco did enough by using their size. No? Sayang yung 36 o 37 points ni Munson dahil nasayang. No? So, doon mo makikita na kapag small ball ka o the whole game, parang hindi effective. Kasi, yung rebounding mo, would suffer. And then, yung mga cross matches mo, kasi may mga matatangkad at versatile wing itong Meralco. Si Bongkinto, isa na yan. So, yung post-up advantage si Bongkinto, isa yan sa pinupuntahan ng Meralco. So, yun. Kaya lang naman nanalo yung Meralco dahil sa kanilang size. Wala namang kailangang Wala namang kailangang i-explain ng mahaba. And their big man can shoot. Pwede kanilang i-stretch at tapos yung meron pang isang big man na may iwan sa loob. Yung guards nila can rebound. So, yun lang po.